Do you know what Gudda is?
आई थिंक इट्स हमारी ज़बान में दूल्हे को कहते हैं शायद.
Guda means knee. घुटना.
The goody is the lighter one and the Gudda is the bigger one. So पेचा वो होता है जो आप दूसरी पतंग के साथ लड़ाते हो. डोर वो जो होती है.
समझ रहे हो आप?
हाँ?
समझ रहे हो?
धागा होता है वो जो जिसे उड़ाते हैं.
Charkhi, no. Probably theft.
Basant is coming to Lahore after 20 years. Let's go to the Gen Zs and ask them the common language, the local Basant language or slangs regarding the kite flying. Let's ask them and have a little fun with them. Now when Basant is coming to Lahore after like 20 years, so there are little slangs or little local terms we wanted to ask. Do you know what pecha is?
पेचा the tar you use for the patang.
Okay. And what do you think door is?
डोर एंड आई नहीं पेचा वो होता है जो आप दूसरी पतंग के साथ लड़ाते हो. डोंट यू थिंक डोर इज जिससे आप उड़ाते हो लाइक द डोरी उसके साथ.
And what is manja?
मांझा मांझा भी वो तार की किस्म होती है मेरे ख्याल से. इट्स वेरी शार्प. दूसरी पतंग को काटने के लिए आई गेस इट्स यूज.
Do you know what charkhi is?
Yes, I think so. That's something like wheel जिसके ऊपर धागा होता है और उससे woolen clothes बनता है I guess. So that's right.
Yeah. And what is door?
डोर वो जो होती है हाँ धागा होता है वो जो जिसे उड़ाते हैं.
Okay. Some say it Gudda, some say it Goody. Do you think there is like a concept of marriage or there is some concept of gender within the kites?
Might be you can say like the goody is the lighter one and the Gudda is the bigger one. So it might be the case of gender discrimination as well.
Do you know what Gudda is?
आई थिंक इट्स हमारी ज़बान में दूल्हे को कहते हैं शायद.
Dula. Okay. And do you think what pecha is? No. And do you think what is manja?
I don't know what's manja because I'm from Gilgit Baltistan. तो
Okay. What comes to your mind when you first hear the name manja?
manja पता नहीं
It's
इसका
okay.
कोई खास पता नहीं.
Do you know what Gudda is?
Guda means knee. घुटना.
Okay. And what is manja?
Manja, I don't know.
You don't know.
Yeah.
And what do you think door is?
Door.
Uh,
Door mean one is Rassi and other is Darwaza.
Darwaza. Do you know what Gudda is?
I don't know what Gudda is, but it sounds like knees, but I don't know.
Okay. And do you think what charkhi is?
Charkhi, no. Probably theft, but I know it's a very specific local word, but I don't know the exact.
Okay. And do you think what pecha is?
Not pecha, not exactly.
No. And what is door?
Door?
Huh.
Probably string.
Do you know what Gudda means?
Yes, I do. I know. A big kite, I guess.
Okay. And what is manja?
I don't know.
You don't know. And what is charkhi?
I guess the door. I don't know about that.
What do you think door is?
Door, the wire with which जिससे हम गुड्डा उड़ाते हैं वही.
Okay. And pecha क्या होता है again?
हाँ, मुझे पता है. जो दो काइट्स होती हैं उनके दरमियान में लड़ाई को पेचा बोलते हैं.